Back in the saddle. Loaded up with Roundup and Heat. New cart, 1500 XT Brant. Haven't been able to talk about that one yet, but hopefully pretty soon. Harvest is right around the corner. First day of desiccating peas today. Everything's ripening up quick. Peas are really ripening up. Wheat is canola. Yeah, still a little green on the canola. Trees look good. That tree row is gone. Look how many acres I gained. 1. August 12th today. At the local fair last weekend, well, yesterday, in the community of Radisson. Slow pitch, dancing, tractor pulls. It's kind of a good time, second weekend of August, because right after that, guys are in the field desiccating, starting knocking down canola, stuff like that. So it's kind of the last hurrah of summer. Body's a little sore this morning, a little sore. Lost ball in the A final, so that one stings a little bit. See, they were like that. They were like that, and now they're like that. Okay, a little bit better here. Like here is manageable. That's kind of what we want. Four peas in that pod. 5 in there. No, 6. I can't count. Decent stand of pods. This one looks nice. One fell out. 5 in there. This is what we're trying to even up. A little bit of weed control. Won't take long, a week. Get rid of these green ones. Get rid of the hollows. Could pick around in the right places with the combines, but then you just gotta come back in later anyway. You get the peas kind of end up going like that. Flat, stand, flat, stand, flat, just the way it goes. Just how peas are. Macdons will get them. Left my dividers on because I don't know if the peas are really high enough to get, unless there's tracks in here already. Now that I'm in the field, they're standing not that bad. You know, they're short and they're leaned over, but they're not that bad. Look at them. Look at them. 15 hollows to ripen up. Got my dual pattern nozzles on. Good coverage, 10.5 gallons. I think, like, they're not 60 bushel peas, but they're not 30. So therefore, I think they're going to be in that 40-50 range. That's my analysis. A little bit rough in here because of the ruts I left. I sprayed my fungicide and there's some gopher holes. I'm going slow, only going 9 miles an hour. It's only 60 acres here, it's almost done. And then the big part of the field is on the other side of the yard. Standing decent here. Yeah, they're crispy. I think I have a plugged nozzle. And I was gonna go into the monitor and use my remote, but it doesn't work that well, so I'm just gonna... Oh, it's what the? It's not even on. What the hell happened there? Oh, that's good. There we go, now we're spraying. Second one from the end, I saw there's nothing coming out of it. Not standing as good on this side. See, they're kind of laying down there. And a little bit greener over here, which is good. A little bit better timing. I know it's short here because the bottom of the crop divider is about, it's just over a foot off the ground, about 13, 14 inches. And it's just touching the bottom of that. Now with my row of trees going, I can get in here with the sprayer and spray this down. Keep the weeds down, because these roots are going to try to come back, try to grow. Heating a Roundup should do the trick. These trees are next. This is maybe a post-harvest job or next summer. Got my fence row nozzles on still. I'm gonna shut those off. I got a big stump left here that he couldn't quite mulch. It's kind of 3 trees grown together. That's what's under that pile of mulch. So what you actually need to do is drill a hole as deep as you can with the drill bit, and then pour 2,4-D and diesel down the hole, and that root system will rot. Eventually you can get that stump out of there. Combines are ready. They're just itching to get out there. Just trying to do some monitor stuff in the combine. I got the window open, the combine's not started, and a freaking bird flew in here. Bird! Go away! Wrong way! Other way! Other way! Ow! There we go! Holy shit! It's shit in here. Gotta check my pants. Jeez, that scared the crap out of me. Holy. Woo! Man, just trying to delete some fields. Too hot and windy to spray. Oh man, okay. I gotta wipe that up. Close the door this time. All the fields are deleted in both combines. Wiped clean. Just gotta make sure they're talking to each other and all synced up, so we're ready when the peas are ready. I'm in. There's the other combine. Test field. Okay, let's see if this combine shows up on that combine. Ow, my hips! My hip flexors! Oh yeah, both combines are running. That's perfect. Monitor could be on with just the key, but... Oh yeah, we're all synced up. Yep. Combine, and that's the serial number, must be. Okay. My work is done. Our last load of chem for the year. We got 10 totes of Roundup, 3 pallets of heat, when the new cart showed up, we noticed a huge gash in the sidewall of this left tire. So I have to come out and change this tire, which is massive. Because if there's a slice, probably like a 2-foot slice, I'll show you in a bit, on the sidewall, it's not good, especially when you put, when you load this grain cart right up, a lot of weight. So yeah, get a new tire, get this changed. That's the gash there. I don't want to get too close, get it in the way. Top of the sidewall there. These tires are so big and wide, it's just standing on its own. Loading up the old tire and put on this truck. Buddy needs help. I'm getting called up to the big leagues, help change this tire. The bottom is swinging out and it's not lifting square, so I'm going to have to try to push the bottom of the tire in. It's close. This tire's big, it's heavy. Gotta line up these studs. 1250 tire. Not on. Let's go. That was sick. Manual says torque the tires to 650 foot-pounds. So he's going to do that. I think he's going to check the other side while he's here. And then we'll check them again after a couple loads. We got the neighbors over who should be working on their combine, but instead they want to show me their catwalks on the quads.